Hi everyone, in this video, today my topic, how to make money with an online dropshipping business. More business, online earning this way. When starting an online business, one of our key elements is having product to sell. So, how do you get products? Where you find them? How you know if the I shall and who do you get then to customers. B2B customer is very mostly, for example, in a vast world of the internet, there are many answers of the all those questions you could create or own a product, but that an is expensive solution, and you have a that take the risk of investing. That money is the buying stock, storing inventory, and not have sales, not have sellings, which can be particularly troublesome if you are dealing with our features. They are most important drop shipping, Alibaba, Shopify, Amazon, different way. This simply there is a solution that allows you to sidestep all those hassles, and it makes the whole setup process of your online venture that much easier. How to start a drop shipping business? Start estimate every what industry watches, and you found that between 20% to 30% online realities use drop shipping. So it's proven business model, and you will be in good company if you go this route. Even big retailers and like Amazon you use drop shipping. Dropshipping is one of the easiest online business. Dropshipping is one of the easiest business online field. Dropshipping estimate revenue more. An online dropshipping business is a quick, easy, and low risk way to start selling online. Selling account manage for dropshipping, Upwork, Amazon, eBay, eBay, and different ways online money. You cannot have to put up a bunch of money upfront and inventory that might not sell. Your dropshipping partner will handle all delivers to your customer. Thanks for watching this video, and next my channel subscribe and press bell icon. Continue this video next.